persistently used God's name to commit heinous atrocities all over the world. Wars become more bloody when religious sentiments are attached. Enemies see each other as abominable infidels that deserve to die. During the Nigeria-Biafran War, atrocities and war crimes were obviously committed, but the international community failed to identify or recognize the ethnic and religious implications. However, the purpose of this work is neither to apportion blames nor criticize anyone, but to preserve history and to let our younger generations who were not born during the struggle know the kind of songs used to boost the morals of the Biafran soldiers.
Take my boots off when I die, oh Biafra. Take my clothing to the camp. I give my gun to someone else to fight for fatherland. Biafra, take my boots off when I die.
Who is gonna do this for you, Biafrans? Who is gonna do this for you, Biafrans? Where are the men that sang this song? Where are the generations that sang this song? I ask you, Biafrans, where are those men? Where are those hefty men that sang this song? Where are they? Good morning, brothers and sisters. Good morning. Fathers and mothers, this glorious morning, I say good morning. From my end, good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma nọ ndị Biafra. Ụtụtụ ọma nọ. I ask us, where are the giants that sang this song? Where are those giants that sang this song? Biafrans ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo ebe ka unu nọ. Kubana na ndị otu ya Igbo ni ebe ka unu nọ. Nekwa ife a na-eme anyị Igbo. Ọ na-eme na Anambra steeti ọ gbasara ndị Igbo steeti. Ọ na-eme n'Imo steeti ọ gbasara ndị Anambra. Ọ na-eme n'Abia ọ gbasara Enugu ọ gbasara Imo ọ gbasara Anambra. Ọ ya emezi n'Ụmụahịa ọ gbasa Imo gbasa Anambra. Gbasa Ebonyi. Ka ọ wụ n'Igwocha ka ọ ya gbasa. Ani Igboagu na Imoni Zuzugbo no wunu dia. You people have all the powers to speak with this notorious, to speak with this killer that we have in the 5 states of the southeast. Okay. Ndị ọhaneze asị m mkpali unu n'ụtụtụ a. Mmewepụ respect nna m nyela m wee kpali unu n'ụtụtụ a. Ife unu na-eje na London bije zawa. All our men are dead. All our men are finished. Our men are finished. Ohaneze. Asimu unu ncha. Ndị Boko Haram unu butelu na ani Igbo ye welu si fancha one after the other. I tell you big time. Ohaneze. Unu niile Boko Haram ye jide chafancha. Unu kpotasila ndị Boko Haram. Sinafa bụ Ebubeagu na Ebubeagu. Good morning once again, dear brothers. I don't want to cry, but I feel like crying. I saw what happened at our mama. I saw what happened at our mama, Imo State. Esi enolo, abi hiala, esi hiala, aba ebe now. Esi Owerri first. Ebido from Owerri. Okay. Za siya quantity acholo. Eti isi na olo. Anaza si. Ewezi ahu to their contentment. Kita eti isi ni hiala. Mube to their contentment. Now they have switched over to our mama. How many did they kill yesterday? How many? These people are Fulani jihadists that hopeless Uzodimma has brought to Imo State. Okay. Solution. Maybe is there destroying Anambra State. Anambra. The heart of the Igbo people. Oh my God. Yeah. The heart of Igboland. Okay. Salute. Chineke, where are the men that sang this song? I asked us, Igbo. Oh, no, Guinea. I'm not just going go to an Igbo Guinea. Igbo Guinea, no Igbo. Cubana, money, Chineke, I tell you. Cubana, money, Chineke, because money the Kadangote. Because Cubana represents the Kadangote. Oh no, man, kete. Then he had a move, no. Now God define a man, Igbo. There's the Chineke won't uncle. My Chineke. There's the Chineke won't uncle. Oh no, never, Busu mono. Makono tiya no munkono na America. Tiya nko na London. Tiya na European country. Okay. Oh, nekwe fa na man Igbo. Nekwe no woke jelije go ifo yeli. Maybe oje kweje boro ego. Chije ego ife ya na ụmụ ya yeri. Ndị Fulani ya akwa. Hopeless Uzodimma nyele Ebubeagu. Were afọ Igbo wee deceive ndị mmadụ. Deception were afọ Igbo wee nyesi na fa bụ Ebubeagu. Onye kpulu, onye mechiri iri ya, guys. Onye mechiri iri ya, mechisi arụ ya kakunu ya esi ama. Ndị Igbo ahụ egbu ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo anaghị egbu ndị Igbo, guys. Ndị Igbo anaghị egbu ndị Igbo. Igbos doesn't kill themselves. Igbos doesn't kill themselves, I tell you. Chineke kpọọ all you 5 Eastern governors. Chineke na ga-abụ unu ọnụ, I tell you. Oh, Chineke na, where are the men that sang this song? Don't they have generations? If they have all died, eche mama dona mu ife yilia. Eche mande madomo wafana mu ife yilifa. Where are the men that sang this song? Where are my Biafran soldiers that sang this song? I ask us. Where are the men that sang this song? Where are they killing the Biafrans like this? Why are they killing the Igbos like this? Even in IT. Because during the Biafran and Nigerian war, IT were the people that supported Biafrans. See what they are also doing in IT also now, because they know that those people are Igbos, okay? Because they know that people of IT, okay? My God. Their ancestral fathers are the Igbos. See how they are maltreating them also. See what Jagaban did in Lagos. Igbo shop on again and do what I don't need for Simon do like cheese tremas and about the cano. Amen for quality. Give command the big on Simon. What is all this big on? What is all this, Simon? Simon, what is all this now? What is all this, Simon? What is all this? Simon, Simon, talk, tell them. Oh God, I feel like crying. I feel like crying. Oh God, I feel like crying. The Kifane Mekwana Dubai. Because Atiku Abubakar own properties na Dubai. Oh, the government of Dubai. And Biaba, these same people in the Igbo. Ebabu na the Igbo no kane meme na sefa. Uno one kitten, I can't procrastinate. Biafra will come 2023. Now, guy like Biafra come now because Uno how many souls that will die? Do you know how many souls that gonna die? Uno na go 2023. Uno na go 2023 because Simon say a word. Guy talk. Simon talk because this thing is too much. Cheese tremas and Namonicano cannot fall his hand. And all these things are happening to his Biafran people. Then if a melon and our mama, if I don't share a video. I couldn't sleep yesterday with all my excitement yesterday. Only for me, when Critis was saying it, I never understood what he was saying. Until then, I decided to, take my time and started going through Facebook. I went through YouTube. Okay, Simon, say a word. Say something. Igbo. Chineke na mekweru nebere ndị Igbo. Hey, Chineke. On many more states. Ndị Anambra isi na ndị Imo steeti dị livad. We're gonna Anambra now. Ndị Anambra na-eme sọsọ picture. Na-ese anyị sọsọ picture onyo ka anyị na-afụ. Anyị fụ ya gịnị ka anyị eme. Oh no, where are these men that sang this song? I ask us again. Where are the Odogus that sang this song? We are Biafrans marching for war. In the name of Chukwuabiama, we shall conquer. God, I conquer. They have splitted enough blood. They have done rivers of blood in the land of Biafra. These people are not sending you because they are not you, because they are not Igbo people. That is why they are killing. For I cannot raise my hand to kill any Igbo man. I cannot raise. But a Fulani woman can come and kill because you are not her blood, because you are not his blood. Hopeless Uzodimma, you wear her aqua. Uchefiru, Fanaze Ebubeagu, Igbo, where are you people? Ndi Igbo no. Elect the guys that sang this song, I'm asking us. Where are the guys that sang this song? Where are the guys that sang this song? Where are the guys that sang this song? Biafra win the war. Where are they? Where are my Biafran men? Where are they? Oh, Guinea, where are they? And we have gotten to the Rubicon. We have been pushed at the wall. We don't want to be pushed to the wall. We don't want the international body to say this. We don't want the international bodies are they not seeing what is happening, child? Oh. International bodies are they not seeing what is happening? Are they blind? Is CNN, BBC, are they not seeing what is happening in the land of Biafra? How they are killing all the Christians? Oh God, you Christians country, Israel, where are you? The Biafrans, they said they are, you people are from them or they are from you or whatever nonsense. All you Christian countries, where are you? Where are you people that brought us Bible? Where are you, child? Any Bible? Any Bible? Any Bible? Where are all you Christians countries? All you Christians countries that brought us Bible. This is what you brought us. This is what you brought us, you Christians countries. Oh my God. Oh my God. You people brought us this. You didn't allow us to follow our own tradition and customs. You brought us this your novel you call Bible. They are killing Christian people in Nigeria. They are killing Christian people in Biafra land. The Igbo people, you people are keeping quiet. You brought me Bible to deceive me. You brought me this novel to deceive me. They are killing the Biafrans. Look at how many people are dying. Oh God, my God, my God. What is happening in Russia and Ukraine? Okay, cannot be equated to what is happening in the land of Biafra, the Igboland. But all of you Christian countries, you are keeping quiet. You are keeping quiet, yet you brought me this your novel. I call this book novel. You brought me novel. They are killing all the Christians in Biafra land. BBC, CNN, you are not doing nothing about it. You are not playing the news. You are not forecasting anything. You are not saying anything. You are only saying Dangote refinery. You are only saying Dangote refineries. You are only saying Dangote refineries. You brought us Bible, yet they are killing all the Christians in Nigeria. You people are saying nothing, yet you brought me Bible. You brought me this your novel to deceive me because of the resources that you are emanating in my country. You are allowing us all to die. Everywhere the Igbo goes, because the federal government have announced to you people that everybody traveling to your countries are all but this same region, these same people. They are killing us. They are killing us. Biafrans are not playing a reprisal. The Biafrans are not fighting back. The Biafrans are handicapped. The Biafrans, oh my God, are not doing anything. Chai. We waited for the Israel. The Israelites, they are not helping us. We waited on the Americans. Joe Biden, he's eating and abetting with the Fulani people. We waited for the British. Katrina Lang, dining with the Fulani people. Oh my God, we waited for everybody. No Christian countries coming to help the Biafrans in Nigeria. No Christian countries is coming to help us. All African countries are dumbfounded. All African countries has become dumb and deaf. All African countries, what a shame. When the African countries are not coming to intercede. Are we waiting for the international European American nation to come and help you? I ask us, you people, Biafrans, take your freedom by yourself, for yourself, and only for yourselves. Nobody can help you. Seek your freedom yourselves. Nobody can come and help you. Simon, Simon, give a word. Oh my God. Simon, you are the disciple of Chistremaz and Namodi Okukano. Give your word like your master would have done. Simon, give a word like your master Chistremaz and Namodi Kano would have done. Look at a man that went to buy. Maybe this guy borrowed money. This guy went to borrow money to feed his family. Nigerian government killed this man on the road yesterday. On his way back from the little items he has gone to collect with a borrowed money that maybe one of his good friends borrowed him. He only went to get himself a food for his family. They killed him along the way. Fake jihadist Nigerian soldiers in uniform named Ebubeagu. These are Fulani jihadists wearing undercovered clothes to deceive us. Ndị Igbo unu anụ dị ebe awa. Ọ bụ na nwunye unu malụ pịaba ụtarị. Ọ bụ na awa enyi nwaanyị unu malụ ka esi ekwu okwu. Shame on you, Igbo people. You are waiting for international bodies to come and help you. Don't they have the same two things dangling under their thighs like you? Do they not have the same scrutums dangling between their thighs like you? Shame on you people. You are allowing them to come and kill you. Simon, I call him 2023 October. Do you know how many people that will die? I asked Simon. How many people that will die? Simon say a word. Simon, because just say one word though. Feel like this. They will comply. You know, yeah? Say one word, Simon. Simon, just say word. 2023 is too far away. 2023 is too far away. I tell you, Simon. 2023. Do you know how many they're gonna kill? Do you know how many people gonna die more? Do you know how many people from now till next week they're gonna kill? Oh, no, now call 2023. You now call 2023. Do you know how many gonna die? Do you know from what family gonna die? You people now have this slogan. It is now like a rhythm. The victim of yesterday. Or what? I don't know how you people are saying those things. The victim of the casualty of yesterday was today's the one of today will be tomorrow's victim. The one of tomorrow will be next tomorrow's victim. That is English only to speak English. Look for all the vocabs you will be speaking. How many did they kill in our mama? What we are busy doing is sharing it. Hey, na nekweni family na wa mama oh. Hey, nekweno. Ndeb onye gwalo no na ndi awe Ebubeagu. Ndi awunde Fulani enyela afu Igbo guy. Ndi awunde they had this that their name were being rebaptized and gave them the name that we enter into your head and you will think they are your own. Ebubeagu are not Igbo people. Ebubeagu are Fulani people. God damn you! Here it will not come. Ebubeagu are not Igbo people. Ebubeagu are not Igbo people. Stop getting it misconstrued. These people are not Igbo people. God damn it! These people are not Igbo people. They are not Igbo people. Simon, give a word. Simon, give a word. Simon, give a word. Give a word. The killing is becoming too much. We are not retaliating. We are not giving them a reprisal. That is why they are doing what they are doing now, okay? This is why they are doing what they are doing now. We are not giving them a reprisal. We are not fighting back. You are giving us 2023 now, guy. People will die. Ayafone. Chief Remazen Namodekano said, if we are only one, we will get Biafra. Yes, but when we are facing them, bomber to bomber, they will not keep killing us. They are growing in numbers. We are diminishing in numbers. Jesus never meant that way, Simon. Jesus never meant that way. Jesus never meant that way. Jesus never told you, fold your hands. Why they will be killing you, so that we will remain one. Bomber to bomber. That was what Jesus meant. Fire for fire. That was what Jesus meant. They will come to your land, they will not go back. This is what Jesus meant. Jesus never told you, Simon, to allow his people to die all, so that the Fulani will increase in numbers, while your people diminishes in numbers. Simon say a word, quo. Simon give a command, quo. Ndiba gukwana na anambari imo ebony. Abia. Ebony abia anambara enugu agugula agusigo kwano. Kai one of the 5 states ipubanu ndoz adir already. Ndoz on the case for fanku. Other tribes are waiting for you to prepare them a dikaikong soup before they will follow you. Let's leave these people. Simon, command the 5 states. Let them launch Biafra. BNL, autopilots. You say you are protecting the borders, isn't it, BNL? You say you are saving the borders, isn't it? Are all the crews, are they only saving the borders, I ask? From where are these people coming from? From where are they coming from? Can't you be shared? Can't you diversify other means? Can't you share yourselves? Simon said we have enough men. Where are the men? What are they protecting? How are these people gaining entrance and going without anything? We only had one issue. We only had one issue. That they came and they did not go back. Only one. But how many have they taken since then? How many souls has the Fulani taken since then in the name of Ebubeagu? I ask us. How many souls? How many, Simon? And you are procrastinating again for 2023. How many will be left? Simon, oneya fono biko, oneya for Simon, oneya fono, oneya fono, oneya fono, oneya for, oneya fono Igbo oneya for. Then if why no n'ebe akwa na godo no jenu jebufuo ya jebufuo no nwanyị unu analugo ya ụmụ ya unu nalusia ya ụmụ ya unu suka ọnọdụ ọhaneze jenu jebufuo no nwanyị anwa okeye welonia extract ano a kidney extract and if you na dey me extract and everything. Well no mebo wo no ye. Well on ya, you see all those dead bodies. You don't need to start going to pay anybody again. Just like Ekweremadu did. You just get those ones, get their kidneys out, go and do what you want to do with them. Simon, ndị Igbo agụgo Simon o. Ndị Igbo agụgo kwa Simon o. Ndị Igbo agụgo kwa Simon o. Just say a word now. Say no a word. Say so for brother Igbo. So ofu brother ebo. Ofu ki yeku guy. Just say what? Just say a word.
Look at it. Look at it. Oyana. Oyana Gagaguru. Oyana Gagaguru. Leo Gagaguru. The family man. The family man. Gagaguru here.
What I don't like is Ebubeagu. You people know that Igbos don't kill. You people know that the real Igbo man don't kill. Okay. These people are Fulani. Okay. These people are Fulani people. The Caliphates. Okay. Hopeless Uzodimma is not an Igbo man. Dave Umahi is not an Igbo man. Okezi Bazo is not an Igbo man. Check them. They have mixed blood. Check all of them. Is it wicked you will call an Igbo man? It's when they need your support. It's when they see you as moron that you all are. I'm sorry, crave my indulgence. Okay. That is when they call themselves Igbo people. But as it stands now, they are not Igbo people. Soludo is not an Igbo man. Pitobi is not an Igbo man. Okay. They are not Igbo people. They are not. And that is why they have brought their brothers to come and be killing you people. The Fulani, they said it. Anybody that they want to rule your states is the person that is with them. The person that believes in their conception. The person that believes in their own concept. That is the person they will give you. They remove Emeka Ihedioha because he never wanted to do according to their own concepts. They removed him. They removed the real winner of Imo State's governorship election. They removed Emeka Ihedioha. They install for you a jihadist like them. Hopeless Uzodimma. Number 4. That was when I knew that Igbo men are weak. They cannot be doing this thing in my Oduduwa side. Never. As they will kill one, they will not find a way of coming the next day. Okay. But all our native Dibias, what they are after is a gombute. Isi yemado okoromba wisi. All our Dibias, what they know how to do is to give you a gombute so that you will travel to Bodoyibo and turn to a slave. If you manage to swingle your way through all these hard drugs, you come back, you go and invest in their shrine. They call you good person. I open my mouth this day to call all you. I open my mouth to call all you Dibias. No exception of anybody. So I say for no meme. Uno for young boys. Uno gualafago. After being no million. Cafe Bobo Doyibo. Biafra bife demma. Ayana bieba. Ayana jobo doyibo. Ifele me buchako no nine. unu melu for ọgwụ eje ha obodo oyibo abịa le ha ọgwụ bịa bute ọgwụ abịa na your shrine decorate alụ gị your shrine gonye gị moto ị na-eti mkpu ị na-asụ God of the land bless this person mana ị mara ife o jere obodo oyibo je eme ị mara ụmụ mmadụ o gbuchalụ n'obodo oyibo because he want to make it. Ndị na-eme ekiro ya according to you people kwụbalụ aka fa ọcha unu so na fa n'obodo oyibo na-eme nzuzu unu so na fa n'obodo oyibo na-eme nzuzu mana unu amara ife those people na-afụ n'obodo oyibo unu amara ọmafe eligo nni ndị dibịa unu waka na-agwa unu maka esi enye ndị pastors ọgwụ ka fa na-enwe congregations unu amara ka esi ememinasị ndị Fulani ndị dibịa unu amara ka esi ememina ndị Fulani ndị dibịa ka unu ya esi enye m atụ ere ka unu ya esi enye m nka nke unu ya enye ụmụ unu na-abụrụ m nwa ka unu ya enye ka unu ya enyesi ụmụ unu amara ka esi enye ndị Fulani nsi obodo oyibo batakịta abịakwutego na-achọ m ime one atrocious business ịmalụgwọ ọlụ m ọgwụ aka na-agwụlụ gị na ị na-agwọ kpata aka na-agwụlụ unu na unu na-agwọ kpata ma ụmụ nwaanyị si na fa na-afụ ụzọ ma ndị mụọma ịmụ si na fa na-afụ ụzọ Chineke nna ụmụ unu nwoke agwụsigokwa o nwoke ka chọrọ ịnụ 2 wives ndị mmadụ na-eti mkpu ụmụ nwoke chọrọ ịnụ 2-3 wives ndị mmadụ na-eti mkpu very soon one man ya na-anụ 10 maka ụmụ nwoke adịrọzi ndị mọmị anyị na-afụ ụzọ ndị mọmị anyị na-afụ future unu amara nke unu ya afụ ka ndị Fulani kwụsị ịbịa n'ala Igbo ndị mọmị na-afụcha ụzọ na-afụ fa unu ọgwụ na anwa unu amara nke unu ya eme msisi unu ncha bụ fake ọsọsọ ebe nnọkịta ka unu ya eme taa onye dibịa ya sị unu a na-eme nyere ndị Fulani ọgwụ unu onwere ebe ọsọ ọgwụ unu ndị dibịa onwere ebe ọgwụ unu nsọ ọwụ ị na-agwa m omenanị nwere ndị Fulani emebisigo omenanị unu kanụ dị ebe anwa na-asọ omenanị mụnwa kwụrụ ya bịa kọlọ omenanị kọlụnụ ndị Fulani na-abịa invade kọlụnụ all the hopeless 5 eastern governors omenanị unu abịa ka omenanị kọbalanụ for omenanị unu nwezikwala omenanị ndị Fulani eridikọsiala ya omenanị ndị Fulani eridikọsigo ya omenanị na ụbala ụmụnne unu na ụbala ụmụ unu na anị unu ka na-akọ omenanị omenelu ka unu nwezile ndị Igbo asị m omenelu ka unu nwezile omego na-awọ mma ọ gbasara Anambra ọ na-eme na Anambra ndị Imo steeti si na ọkwa yesterday o mere na nke anyị omebe na Ebonyi asị gị nsogbu adịrọ ndị ajọs chọrọ ihe what are these people doing sọsọ oyibo grammatical blunder unu pụta na asụrụ anyị oyibo ndị dibịa esike ike dibịa agwọ kpaa dibịa ha afụ azụ ya anya na ife ndị Fulani na-eme na ife ndị Fulani na-eme ndị dibịa ọsọsọ ego mbute ka unu na-alụ ọgwụ unu ụmụlụ sọsọ ego mbute ebute ego unu bi unu jee gụọ ọlụfe egwu Fele me buchako no diando she. Ono jabundo she. You people are thieves. You people are thieves, I tell you. Ono bundiori. Then the Fulani. So songin and the Fulani ye bionye dibia. Eradicate Imo State, Anambra, Enugu, Abia, Ebony. So songin and the Fulani bie. Ifu ketolo biati. Ketandi Igbo surrender. You people cannot use that your power and do something. You people cannot use your power and do something. And they boost every day. Oh no, dear Bawa. E make it on the butelema euro. Oh no, now fools are say. Uza wonderful and is Abia. Une wiki block ya. Une wiki me kafana for River Jordan. Une wiki me ya. Can't you people do those things? Oh, so yes, your bodo ibobia. Ofonye bia nyu na ego. Kuni nye yogu ko gbuo nwanne ya. Unu menka wonsiso. Unu na-eme atụ ere na-eje. Ndị Imo steeti na-ere atụ ere. Fa ha afụ ya atụ yelu ndị Fulani. Ndị Imo steeti na-eme atụ ere. Na-ere 5,000. Kasi na-ere 500 n'afịa. Unu ha afụ ya eme. So jealousy na anya ukwu. That is na anya ukwu. Ana aduana. Ana adososa ana. Biaka nke ana. Kebukwe no nwunu na anadia. Ndị Fulani ya bịa nalụ ana. Without eke ya eke. Without eke ro ya ha nalụ ya unu. Ma ifu nwanne go. Anya gbaba gị popcorn. Fulani ya nasi unu ana. No utterance, no word. Man, if one negi biaka ikiana. Onu nekia. Fulani ya. Oh ya nasun everything. Ndi Fulani ya nasun everything. Simon just say a word. Simon will say a word. 2023 is too much. If we are facing them bomber to bomber, it would have been explicit. But these people are killing us and we are doing nothing. And we are procrastinating. 2023. Do you know how many gonna die? Do you know? Chistre never said that we will remain one if we will remain only one person in Biafran land. We should keep our hands like this and be watching why they kill us. He never said that. We will face them bomber to bomber. That was the word of Chistre Mazana Modekano. They will come to our land, they will not go. But they will come to your land, they will go. Tomorrow they will come again. It has happened in our mama. It started in Owerri. Okay. Owerri. It entered Ihiala now, Olo. Now, our mama is also closer to Olo. Okay. As is happening in the Anambra. The giants of the Igboland, our men are gone. Hey, where are the men that sang this song? Where are your dogus that sang this song? Because they never built skyscraper as at then. They weren't doing ritual money as at then. They never killed their brothers as at then. They never killed their sisters as at then. They never used their parents for ritual as at then. So the powers, the gods of the land were with them. But now, all of you, Lily live out because you have one way or the other committed an outrageous sin that the God of the land have deserted you people. What you only do now is spectator. You are now a spectator. On a life now. N'ihiala. Ndị Ebubeagu. The world should know about it. Which of the world is knowing about it? The world should know what is happening. The world should know what the federal government is doing. Who are you telling? Oko condemn. Who are you telling? Erima. Who are you telling? Why? Why ya putalo no na street, balo no oto. Akwifo no chalo mu nwoke. Iya fundi ye kwe. Ye welukwe their phones. Na-ese, na-ele sizes ala. Sizes ike. Owifa ya no na-eme. Sizes ala na ike. So taka nke nwaanyị adị, otaka nke nwaanyị adị. Because people are weak. Women are gonna come out. Women are gonna come out. Because ụmụfakunu na-egbu. Ụmụfakunu na-egbu. It's their children that you people are killing. Okay. It's their children. Often a bulu umuaka 9 months. Israel we buonya. Look at the hefty guys that were killed. Look at the ones they've been killing. Oh no, now call them 2023. Now Biafra ya 2023. Biafra ya bia. Simon, say a word, please. Simon, the spiritual son of Chistre Mazana Modekano, depicts as your father name. Depicts as your father name, Wokem. Depicts as your father name. The spiritual son of Chistre Mazana Modi Okukano. If Chistre Mazana Modekano was here, will all this be happening? As they are doing, what fate are you giving us? That higher up Chistre Mazana Modekano. Who are those that are going to fight the war? Okay, I couldn't just sleep. After all my excitement yesterday, I couldn't just sleep.
Ọchịchị ga-esi n'aka Chukwu bịa onye eze anyị achọrọ ọchịchị gọwa ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Ọchịchị ga-esi n'aka Chukwu bịa onye eze anyị achọrọ ọchịchị gọwa ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Abụ m onye amamihe, abụ m onye amamihe, nne m nwanyị rapụkwa m ma bara onwe mami. Onye nwere were akwụcha kechie ya anya were. Omeninyo bakwerieri, omeninyo bakwerieri. Biafra kunye buso Nigeria. Makagini nina bundina magi Chineke, nina magi Chineke kereha. Commando, ebutere ya commando. Ebutere ya commando. Commando, ebutere ya commando. Igbo beri manoru wo Chineke ntị, Odimegwu Chukwu chibai. Igbo beri manoru wo Chineke ntị, Odimegwu Chukwu chibai. Nke mara mma chibai, ndị ahụ ọnụ chibai. Odimegwu Chukwu chibai.
Most of the Biafran war songs aimed derogative invectives of the Nigerian government of oligarchy, who directed the killing of innocent Biafran women and children by imposing blockade on Biafra. All human contact with the outside world was cut off. Hence, the Nigerian military junta added hunger to the already existing weapons of mass destruction in their arsenal. Neither food nor medicine were allowed into Biafra. Hence, malnutrition begot Kwashiorkor, also known as Harrison syndrome.
We are Biafrans, fighting for our freedom. By the name of Jesus, we shall conquer. Hey, we are Biafrans, fighting for our freedom. By the name of Jesus, we shall conquer. Come Biafra, fighting for our freedom. By the name of Jesus, we shall conquer.
We shall conquer only when we fight back. The Fulanis, they don't know what is peace. The Fulanis, they don't know what is gentility. They want to take over Biafran land and make it theirs and turn Nigeria to an Islamic country. That is what we should be reasoning on. Okay, all this slow and steady, all those things, all this, let not the international community tag us something. Tag you what? Tag Yagi what? Can they tolerate what is happening in Biafra land? I ask us. Can your international community tolerate what is happening in Biafra land? Can they? Can they? Can your international communities let one soul be killed anywhere in the Western world? You will see. Let alone all this incessant killing, blood flowing every day. And you are still waiting for your international communities. Okay. Listen. Let us, these 5 states, let the 5 states poor, because all why Simon. Chistre mazanamu di oku kanopota. Ya oridi moya back. Simon, let the 5 states poba. Rap on there, please. They are not the ones that are being killed. We cannot keep hoping if a cheese Ramazan cannot put together, but these people, they don't want to stay. We are the one dying. We are the one dying. Just like in the Bible, when 2 women were struggling for 1 child, and the king asked, should I divide the child? I split the child into 2 so that you both will take. The real owner said no. Instead, let the other woman, the imposter woman, let her go with the child. Okay. But the other imposter wanted the child to be divided. So you see, that was then and when the king knew that the child is originally for the other woman that wanted her child to be given to the other impostor. Okay. So, let the 5 eastern states, let them go. Let them go. Anybody who wants to join us by then now, we'll give the states condition. Or they look for their own as they so want. After all, we've seen many being splitted. Many have splitted. Okay. Many have given themselves another name. So, Biafrans, let us go. Biafrans, let us go. Okay. Let's go. Simon, they will still invade tomorrow. Simon, they will still invade next tomorrow. Simon, they will invade again next week. We are doing nothing. No appraisal, no confrontation, no anything. Nothing. Ana plan ro konkwo ko yesi abi obodo oyibo. Bia sabe fele. Osa ha efele. Ya oficha yeah, osabe efele. Ma osa ha efele. Otobanto. Oto nko ya ato aka kpali ojenga. Ya ojenga. Ego tinyelu umunne n'aka elifu ohi ya. Onata joba fa jo ha gi. Did I force you to send us some money? Okay. Ojekwulu onye dibia gwọlụ ya ọgwụ oji jeje. Ka wasi na you can't eme like this. Akwa agwa nke ime like that. You will eme like this. They must always see. They will always tell you something. Just not to be taking the blame. And na Biafra demma. Gini ka na achọ ebe. And na Biafra na atọ ka honey. And na Biafra demma. Gini ka most of us say. Oge nna mụ na alụ ọlụ. O si na gini ije obodo Igbo na gini. Onye na-eje. Onye ije obodo Igbo eje ebe. Ife nche anọ n'ụlọ. Okay. Simon, the blood is too much. Say a word. Simon, you defeat Chistre Mazen Namode Okukano. Please say a word. Chistre Mazen Namode Kano cannot keep quiet and be telling me now on a 2023 he would have done he would have said a word and people would have carried it out. You know billions are following you. You know trillions are with you. Just say a word. Say a word, Simon. Say a word. Can you stand Arabia Jabolo, please? I'm even late already. I'm late. I'm so late. Shit. It's a shame. It's a big shame. Neko balan. Neko. Moke jelu ko jego. Ko jego bele ife. Onalo. Onala. That is oba. Oba talonoye. Na yo. Ebufu here. Ebufu here. Egbulu 18. Gbuo 11. Mmadụ ka a na-egbuo. Ọ bụrụkwa chikino. Mmadụ ka egbulo. Simon ndị mmadụ ka a na-egbuo. Ndị mmadụ ka a na-egbu. Ọ bụrụkwa chicken. If we are facing them back, at least, if we were facing them back, at least before a war 18 hour, how are two yana? Uba wa feji we bia there, aya fozi. Manandi dibi aya maro nka weme. Ogu nka wa tolufa. Hamaro ka ye si agwo nka wa. If aya bi gwolom wa atu ere. Kemmesi egbu nwanne m. Kemmesi eje obodo oyibo. Nnata mkpọlụ boys. Ndị mmadụ jum n'azụ ka kubana. Ka esi eju kubana n'azụ. Eju hia n'azụ n'afọ akpa obi asị. Ndị awa na-eme 20 packs, 100 packs. Where are you? Chineke kpọkwo n'aka. Asị m Chineke kpọkwa n'aka. Ndị a na-eme 70 packs. If nwoke odo obi ara nna. Aka ya ranna. Ana emeju onwefe ụjọ. Na-enu ndị Fulani. Kubana enweke release ndị a niile na-eswe. Ka eje face ndị Fulani. Imo na enweke release ndị a niile na-eswe. Ndị akpa obi 20 packs. Ndị asị. Ndị asị. Une marry bodyguard. That is why una chọrọ ka Biafra bịa. Maka kunu na-emere obi Kubana, I mean bodyguard. Couldn't mere e-money bodyguard. Couldn't mere for bodyguards. Fele me bukwa no dia. That is why you not talk about Biafra bia. That is why you don't want Biafra to come. Unema mobi. Shame on you people. Una yekwe ka nje gym ka ifuzo eko ha bouncer ana ha bouncer una ha bouncer ebe ndi Fulani no. You people don't bounce. If you not jump on one of the Fulani, una ha bounces. Una ha busy your bouncing. Une me bouncer Chikobi de merima. Nani wagusigo e-money. Ina za e-money. Na yani wagugo. Chelano. Ana bekutunu. Kwa ma alafia kulie. Aya bekutunu. One after the other. Gbogbo la ma jẹ breakfast ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan ló ma jẹ. Gbogbo yín lẹ ma jẹ. Bye, please. I'm just not happy. I'm just not happy, really. Everyday killing. Obuna cheese tremaza na mo de kana na ya. Oban kete. Una kola mako 2023. 2023. How many are for? When cheese tremaza na mo de kana said, if we get Biafra, he never said we're gonna fold our hands and allow them to be killing us, slaughtering us like chicken. Okay. He never said so. We procrastinate 2023. Do you know how many people are going to die? Do you know? Nekwendi jello wedding. Nekwendi jello traditional wedding na natani. Before I heard it, they said it was Monday, but no, it wasn't Monday. Maybe Saturday or Sunday. Ndi Fulani. Because they abhor such things. Because they don't like such things. Who invited them? How did they know? The Fulani. Oyabukwa somebody. Somebody from that community. Maybe one of this groom or even a haters. Jekweje consult on your consultant. Abiabufu sandem wad. Bufu see everybody. Ndije kwelo with a word. And it is well. Una column 2023. Una column 2023. It is well. No no eba ma bulube no Bible. God did you we sekwage, Jesus did you we sekwage. Bube no Bible, kwa Bible. Aye busi ike. Fulani have seen, ridiculed you and your Christianity. They will come into the place you call the holy house of God, massacre everybody. And yet we preach to me. 1,000 by your left, today we flee 1 million places. Full and bata 1,000 no de kwa bawa ana any bullet. I didn't see anybody fleeing anywhere. Unu burukwe Bible chimniru. Nam gebe Bible. Ana mesu na ege ya. Because if channel ba wasi ase. I'm sorry. Ana mesu na ebu ya. And don't preach to me. In Israel, bute mwelo the Bible. Fana face, ndi fana face. Fana ano ogo. Faya arapo Bible no ogo. No ezigbo ogo. Okay, ebe Jesus, ebe Chineke nase potowa. Ne ya. Na-ekpere Bible. Na-ekpere Bible ka ngebe. Awa afufu na-eme ndị mmadụ na-ebu ya ndị ọcha ama ifefe amelo. Gwa m ofu onye rich man ya afụ ọnụ chichebere. Ihe afụ nwoke na-ata afụfụ every time ya na Bible na-anụ. Gwa ọ bụ na ije kwuli obu Bible. Ka that man nwee ego ịfụ ya obodo ebe a onye na-ebulu gị Bible here obodo a nọ ya na-ebulu gị ya ije ụka na Sunday. Ndị ya afụ bụ ndị agadi ma mebi feeding na fire nwụta na echi. Because ebe a ka enwe ike ịnụ wee you have to go interact with their fellow ndị fana faso wee gba agbantelo. Okay. Ndị fana faso wee gba agbantelo. Oge fadi young. Ya hafu gene ba in eje church. So say oge ya fu eje church I dị chọrọ either ị chọrọ ikuputa nwa gị. Or a na-eme wedding. Or 31st night. Okay. Or Easter. Agusigo. Eh, well, the time. Need you, everything need you. Oh, I know for. What about if we don't quote the Bible? James chapter 1, verse 3, read from 35. Na guy. I know the afufu nebugo. Afufu neruginisi. Afufu jigo. Go and read Peter 4. From Apostle Peter 1. Go be fego. Go buy a go see ike. Na ya ke busi Bible. Ine ndi akita ebusile family ha. Fe jego ka keta niile down. Oyi fire na alo. Ndi Fulani ya bekwa ebe ahụ ka ready kwenya. Oge emele nke odumeje how far. Bible omelie. I seem like this my brother they preach at times that times the man na ewelu the man iwe ife ncha the man na ekwu beziokwu everything on ekwu beziokwu. Okay, in a little afọ ihe echete Bible a na-eliju afọ. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Okay, amam dide nchatala Bible amam ife ncha mama me oge nno Africa. All this thing na dey me once in a while quote o we see na afọ ihe na quote kanam no even akam that demo dumeje quote na unu afugo ni dumb head man. At least on we be nnupeli they are my own. Okay. So the blue Bible ne deceive all mad. Ndocha butalo no Bible from London. Ora ni here. Katrina Lang go her hair lily within the Fulani. On a lily within the Fulani. Yeba ne blue Bible. Chipuno kanje bolo biko. God bless us. I catch us when we catch us again, okay? But in short, this morning I'm bleeding. I am not smiling. I am not smiling, Simon. Simon. You are cheese the Mazan Namodekano spiritual son. Say a word, and the Biafrans will comply. Onye sisi kwa no cho he comply. Ya don't know. Ke bube jihadist. Biakutefa.